Hi, this is Nur Hashim Olangaya, 24 years old, from the province of the New Maguindanao, the founder and national president of Young Mindanaoans Peace Builders. The Young Mindanaoans Peace Builders is a tri-people youth organization with more than 228,000 members nationwide, composed of Muslim, Christian, and Lumads, united to promote peace and sustainable development through a multifaceted approach. YMPB is the 2011 national winner of 10 Accomplished Youth Organization of the Philippines awarded in Malacanang by His Excellency President Benigno Simeon Aquino III. And YMPB also chosen as 2011 Changemaker in Geneva, Switzerland, conferred by International Peace Bureau. And YMPB also have 57 more awards, mostly outstanding youth organization given by different youth organization or different award-giving bodies from 2007 to 2012. One of our approach in solving the conflict in Mindanao is through providing education and community-based technical vocational skills training that they can use in searching a decent job. Sa kasalukuyan, mahigit 5,000 na ang napatapos namin ng aming technical vocational skills training. Ito po ay community-based na kung saan maraming out-of-school youth, child combatants ang nakapagtapos ng mga kurso like driving, masonry, automotive, carpentry, household servicing, at maraming pang kurso. At ang kagandahan pa nito, 80% of our beneficiaries are now working here and abroad. So, natulungan namin sila na kung saan medyo patapo na yung buhay nila at ngayon meron na silang trabaho. At sa tulong, hindi ito mangyayari kung wala yung tulong ng aming mga partners tulad ng World Assembly of Muslim Youth, International Peace Bureau, Muslim Student Organization of America. Many of our beneficiaries are out-of-school youth and formerly child combatants. So from being a rebel, they have now a decent job that they can that they can use in sustaining their daily needs.
Ako si Jonathan Muslamama, nanggaling sa YMPB. Nagagalit ako ng driving institute. At ngayon may trabaho na ako.
Other approach is reaching the out-of-school youth and other child combatants that interested in putting up their small business so that they have a sustainable income for their family and their self.
I am Mr. Bagolin Sapi, malaki na itulong ng Young Mindanaoans Peace Builders. Dahil sa Young Mindanaoans Peace Builders, na-develop ko ang aking sarili, pati ang leadership, kaya madali akong nakakuha ng trabaho.
So YMPB is teaching them on the basic of entrepreneurship, and after the training, we're asking them to prepare a simple business plan for the business they want to engage within, the amount of 10,000 to 20,000. So if the business plan is feasible, we're giving them a starter kit or merchandise to start their chosen business. Currently, more than 1,000 beneficiaries have already started their business with the help of our partners such as. Other approach is promoting the sports development, wherein Young Mindanaoans Peace Builder is conducting YMPB Cup Basketball Invitational Tournament para mailayo ang mga kabataan sa masasamang gawain.
Ang ginagawa namin ngayon, nag-organize kami sa lahat ng barangays na kung saan ang mayroong chapter ang YMPB. Tulad halimbawa ng Maguindanao, sa lahat ng barangay nag-organize kami. Mahigit 80,000 ang members ng YMPB at 228 naman ang kabuuan ng members sa buong Pilipinas. Pagkatapos ng organizing, tinuturuan na kaagad namin ng transformative leadership training at iba pang mga programa ng YMPB.
These programs help the tribe people, the Muslims, the Christians, the Lumads, to understand the culture, tradition, and religion and practices of each one of them, because if there's understanding, the respect will come in. So, ang ginagawa namin dito, every municipality at sa mga big universities, marami kaming partners to realize this program such as Ulama